Sometimes, individual tiles need to be removed and replaced due to damage or wear and tear. Follow these easy steps to remove and replace tile without damaging NuHeat. Turn off the power to the NuHeat mat either at the main power box or have a certified electrician disconnect the wires at the relay or control box. You will want to conduct a continuous ohms test on the leads of the NuHeat mat with your ohms meter during the entire tile removal process. This will ensure that in the unlikely event of damage to the NuHeat mat during the tile removal process, the damaged wire can easily be located. Remember that a certified electrician must make all the electrical connections. Score the grout 1/8 of an inch deep around the tile to be removed. Make sure you use a grout scraper. Do not use a power tool. Break the tile or tiles with a round head hammer, using as minimal force as possible to prevent damage to the surrounding tiles and NuHeat. To remove the tile from the thin set, carefully run a dull-edged cold chisel parallel to the NuHeat wires. Position the chisel at a subtle 30-degree angle, never at 90 degrees. Break apart the thin set covering the NuHeat mat using a round head hammer. Once again, use only the force required to break apart the thin set. Avoid damaging the NuHeat mat. Never chisel over top of the wires. Remove the remaining thin set on the NuHeat mat. During this process, you may also remove the top of the NuHeat fabric. This is perfectly acceptable if carefully done. To keep the NuHeat wires in position, place a single strip of duct tape over the wires as shown here. Once the base is ready to receive the tile replacement, perform ohms tests on the NuHeat mat with a digital ohms meter to confirm that the NuHeat mat has not been damaged. If all the tests give correct readings, proceed with the tile replacement. Apply some thin set to the area to be tiled. Be careful not to damage the NuHeat wires, and always apply the thin set parallel to the wires. Now apply a coat of thin set to the back of the tile and set the tile in the floor. You can then apply grout as normal. Once the replacement is complete and the mat is successfully tested, the electrician can reconnect the NuHeat back to the power and turn on the circuit at the breaker. Do not turn on the NuHeat until the thin set under the tile is cured.